never seen this much snow in Philly in all my life.
One ice storm, that was it.
I know, man. Imagine if you did have a snowmobile. You could roll through the city, man. And down here, look, a tree fell on some cars. Let me see if I can get a picture of this. Right. I don't know. Let me try to zoom in. I don't know if you can see that. It's a tree fell. Electrical wires landed on a car right there.
Two cars.
Two of them? Oh, that one that's parked and then the one in the street?
Under, yeah. Partly on the street.
Wow. 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 Absolutely amazing. Being cool. I'm going to turn this camera off. But some things, like I said, are worth documenting. I may never see this again. I hope I never see no crap like this again. Of a trio of major storms in the Delaware Valley in the Philadelphia area that has the area quite paralyzed, I might say. Nonetheless, let's go take a look. Ah, look at there. There go my baby brother. Yeah, he is. Muscle man. Just getting off work. All right. Okay. That's my nephew Darren and Gavin. Whoa, you gonna rip his coat? Get your coat. His coat is home. There you go. All right.
Y'all stay right there. Don't go no farther. Huh? Don't go no farther.
Hold on. See you,
what?
Want to see me get back over and come back over here?
No, I want to see you. I want to see you. I want to see you. Make a snow angel.
Make a snow angel. Come on.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Right there. Make a snow angel.
Put your head down, Weezy. There you go.
Yeah.
Look at these guys. Incredible. Out here in the blizzard of 2010. And this is, she called this a snowman. Look.
Leave my snowman alone.
I'm going to leave your snowman alone. Uh-oh, I guess I better move, huh?
I'm coming next.
My man Gavin and Darren running through the biggest snow. Here comes Darren. Here he comes. Here he comes. And here comes Gavin. Here comes Darren and Gavin. Whoa. Ha 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 ha. Yes.
You got that?
Ah, yeah, I got it. Hey, Gavin. Hey, buddy. What's
Okay,
going
can you help
on?
me up? Sorry.
No.
Dad, can you help me up?
Nope.
Yes. I'm your cousin.
Oh, now both of you guys fell there. Ha ha. Come on, Gavin, get up, whore.
Austin, where you at? Good, Gavin.
Where y'all going? Where you going, Gavin?
I'm gonna watch the cannonball. Yeah, watch this.
Way to go, Darren. What Auntie doing?
Making us an igloo.
She making an igloo?
Yeah. And we can play it. Watch this, Uncle L. Watch this.
I need you to make a snow angel for me. Come, go. Wait, slide down here. Right,
There?
right. Now wait, let me get in a better position. Stay right there. Yeah, stay right there.
Now jump.
Nope, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Wait, whoa, Gavin. Back up. All right, go ahead, D-Weezy. Yay, put your head down. There you go. Very nice, man. That's so cool. Gavin, you gonna do it? Yay, Gavin. They're making snow angels in the blizzard. Way to go, guys. What?
Check this out.
Well, you better be careful, man. You have a very pretty snow angel, Gavin.
Me too?
Yes, Darren, absolutely, buddy. Very nice.
You want to see me like this, dude?
What?
Just right here.
No. I want you to go back up this way.
Okay.
Okay? Back up this way, Gavin. All right, now, whatever you could do, whatever you want to do up there.
Aren't you going to come up with us?
Yep.
I can't get up.
Too bad. Whoa, you great fall some more. All right, hang on. All right. All right, this is Yvette. She building an igloo in the snow. Real snow bricks made from the hands of Yvette.
Yeah, so they can get in it and sit down. Y'all
Man.
take pictures.
Man, y'all tripping. Stop crying.